Hi, you beautiful people out there. Today I've come up with a very simple tip for the eyes. That is for the hectic eyes. That is for the, that is for the tired eyes. Sometimes what happens when you go out in the scorching heat, when you go out in the sun, or like summers have come, and it's even when you sit in the home, sometimes your eyes starts burning, your eyes starts paining, and it starts itching, right? And whenever you go out, they starts burning like anything, they get tired like anything. So what you have to do, you don't have to do much. There is a simple tip which will give so much of relaxation to the eyes. Your eyes will feel so cool, right? So what you have to do, it's a very simple tip which I use daily and which gives so much of relaxation to my eyes. See this, it's rose water. This is also called gulab jal. It's a Dabur gulab jal. It's a Dabur rose water. What I do is I keep it in the refrigerator, right? So it becomes cold. So I daily keep it in. You can take it out from the fridge, from the refrigerator. Keep it in the morning or in the evening. It's better when you go off to sleep, right? Make some cotton pads, or you can take ready-made cotton pads, or just like I made like this. Just make small cotton pads, thin cotton pads like this, right? Just it's a one cotton pad. So another you can do like this, right? Simply, you don't have to do much. Just dip into this rose water, right? This is the one I have dipped in the rose water, and another that should be as big and spacious so that it could cover your eyes, right? And this I've dipped it in rose water, so keep the pads like this on your eyes, right? Like this, and another like this. So you can lie down. After that you can lie down. If you have some skin problem, or if you have some tanning on your eyes, so it will give you some little irritation, it will give you some little sensation, little burning, because if you have some skin problem, or if you have some tanning on the eyes, or some problem on the skin due to sun, right, or some other problem. But don't worry, and just keep it for few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, or just lie down and relax yourself. Or if you want to sit, then you can also sit on a chair, but relaxing your neck like this. Close your eyes, right? I'm just showing you. I can't stretch this video for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just showing you. So just suppose I've taken it for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, if you remove, or you can also press like that, after 15 to 20 minutes you can remove the cotton pads and slowly open your eyes. Then see the difference, right? Then see your eyes will feel so relaxed and cool. And it's better, you can keep it twice a day, thrice a day. And also don't forget, before going off to sleep, just put it on your eyes. And in the morning when you wake up, you will feel so fresh, your face will feel so fresh. And also you can do like this. After removing, you can clean your face like this. It will give you so much of freshness on your face like this. your face will become so fresh. It will give you so much of freshness on your face, right? I'm not using on my lips because I've put a lip gloss, so otherwise I haven't put any kind of other makeup, right? But it will give you so freshness, and it will also remove your dark circles if you have any, right? Just see, right now you can see the freshness, the moisture on my face. And it will also remove any kind of dirt if that is on your face. See, just see the cotton. Just see, I had already washed my face, but still, see, you can see the difference on my face, you know. See, and it will give you a good glow, a good freshness on your face, right? And you will not need to go to the salon or anything else, right? Better use this, and especially before, like, you know, before going to bed, keep these cotton pads on your eyes and for 15 minutes, and also clear, and also, you know, see, and also wipe your face with these cotton pads. Now you can see the difference on my face. It's a very good cleanser, you know, and it will give so much of freshness on your face, and it will give you a good good glow on your face. You can see my face. See, you can see my face now. It's a very good thing, and in the morning when you will wake up, you'll fall in love with your face, you know. See the glow and the moisture on your face. It's a very good thing. This gulab gel, this rose water, it's a very good thing. It's a very good for your skin, for your face. Okay, it's a very good tip for your body, for your face, right? Also, you can put a few drops of gulab gel or a few drops of this rose water in your bucket while you go for a shower, right? It's a very good thing. So try this. It's a very good thing. So next time I'll come with another good tip. Till then, bye bye. Try this.